excited to finally start this journey with you. If you're an aspiring virtual assistant, a freelancer wanting to level up, or someone who dreams of working from home with more freedom and flexibility, then you're in the right place. This podcast is all about real, honest conversation about what it's like to work as a virtual assistant. Hindi lang ito puro tips and strategies, pero pati na rin yung real challenges, struggles, and lessons na pinagdaanan ko in my 15 years in this industry. Kasi let's be real, being a virtual assistant is not always easy. Pero when you get the hang of it, it's totally rewarding. So a lot of you are new here. Hello, I'm Joanna Marie, or just Marie for short. I started my VA journey 15 years ago, nung wala masyadong nakakaalam kung ano ang virtual assistant. Nung panahon na pag nagtatrabaho from home ka, ang tanong agad ng iba, scam ba yan? Or legit ba yan? Mga ganong bagay. But look at where the virtual assistant industry is now. It's thriving, it's growing, and offering opportunities for so many people, for so many Filipinos to work flexibly from anywhere. So, sa podcast na to, I'll be sharing everything I've learned from how to land your first client, paano mag-price ng services, paano i-manage ang time at projects, and so much more. And some of you might be wondering, para saan ba to? Why I started this podcast? Kasi naalala ko nung bago pa lang ako, walang masyadong resources about sa pagiging virtual assistant. Walang mga step-by-step guide, walang TikTok, walang YouTube, walang nag-explain ng real-world experience. Naalala ko noon when I was researching, meron akong sinalihan na virtual assistant network organization, pero sa United States pa, sa Amerika pa siya. And kahit hindi ako taga doon, and although it's exclusive from people there, sumali talaga ako kasi wala talaga ako mapagkunan ng information. Kaya ngayon, gusto kong ibalik at i-share lahat ng natutunan ko. So, this podcast is for aspiring virtual assistants na hindi alam paano magsimula, or yung mga freelancers na gusto pang i-upskill at i-level up yung career, or yung mga full-time employees, especially nowadays, ang daming gustong mag-work from home dahil especially in the Philippines, sobrang hassle talaga ng traffic. Yung weather natin, it's becoming more and more unbearable talaga. And yung mga stay-at-home moms na katulad ko na gustong kumita habang nasa bahay, na hindi na nila kailangang malayo sa mga anak nila. So, kung ikaw yan, this podcast is for you. And also, kung gusto mo lang ng kachikahan na, kasi sometimes, di ba, lalo na sa mga katulad ko, yung mga kabatch ko na been working from home for more than a decade, sometimes it feels very isolating. So, kung gusto mo lang ng kachikahan, hey, you're welcome here. So, in the next episodes, we'll talk about things like how to land your first virtual assistant client kahit wala ka pang ganong experience. Kasi may tinatawag na transferable skills. And we'll talk about that more in the next episodes. Also, we'll talk about top skills every virtual assistant should have to stand out. Kasi grabe na ngayon, no? Ang oversaturated na yung new market. But then you will stand out if you have the right skills and you have, the right attitude and characters to become a virtual assistant. And also, ano ba yung mga best tools for virtual assistant nowadays? Kasi ang dami ng mga obsolete, may AI na and everything. And how to price your services. At paano ba natin as Filipinos to stop undervaluing ourselves? Kasi hindi porket nasa Pilipinas tayo ay mag-charge ka na ng $1 per hour. Yung mga ganong bagay. We can talk about that more in the next episode. So, yung mga real talk lang din. The challenges, the wins of working from home because may pros and cons ito. And of course, may mga guest episodes din ako na I'll be bringing in here other experienced virtual assistants, freelancers, and industry experts para mag-share ng tips and experiences nila. So, hello yung mga kabatch ko. I'll be contacting you soon. So if you're excited to start or grow your virtual assistant journey, make sure to subscribe and never miss an episode. I'll be uploading, hopefully, every week. Fresh episodes for you. Also, I'd love to hear from you. Anong mga virtual assistant related questions or topics ang gusto mong pag-usapan natin? Send me a message or join our private Facebook group. It's going to be active again. It's been stagnant for a while. But head on to Facebook, search nyo lang the Virtual Assistant Diary community. Yun. If you haven't yet, download the free Virtual Assistant Starter Kit. Ginawa ko yan Actually, ginawa ko, nakatatlong revise na ako because when I was starting, I made one. And then, nung nag-pandemic, I made another version. Pero ngayon, 2025, I have updated it para mas relatable siya in this time and age. Okay? So, the guide will help you take your first steps into the virtual assistant world. Kung zero knowledge ka, basahin mo yung guide at at the end of it, magkakaroon ka ng idea what it's about. So you can grab it at www.thevirtualassistantdiary.com. Okay, thank you for tuning in to the Virtual Assistant Diary podcast, and I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you.